Hey everyone, Fun with Fire. Doing a daytime demo. Mammoth Smoke. It's from Keystone Fireworks. Mammoth Smoke. It's kind of it's cloudy out. It's humid. I'm gonna do an experiment. I'm gonna try to make sure that I want to see if I can get the smoke into the woods, so that the woods are covered in smoke. Hopefully, no one thinks that the woods are on fire. They're not. We're gonna try something cool. Mammoth Smoke. Let's check it out. Alright, got this here. Got your woods there. Let's check it out. Here it goes. Here goes the smoke. And it's not going in the woods. It's going this way though. That's cool. Look at that smoke go. Oh yeah. That was weird. See how long it lasts. Probably not that long. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Still going. Yep, still going. That's cool. Alright. Of course, it's got to start raining. Still going. Awesome. Look at that baby go. Not hanging as thick as I thought. Thought since it's so humid it would be hanging around a lot more. It's still just about done. And it's fizzling. It's still going though. But it's a lot thinner than it was. And that's about it. Look at that. That's cool. Up in the trees. Oh yeah. It's going right into the trees. And that's all that's left is that. But yeah, that's pretty cool actually. I'll go back. And I'll show you. See that? That's pretty neat. All deep into the woods. It's like the trees just inhaled the smoke. That's cool. That is cool. And look, it's still got a little bit of smoke left in it. Very little bit. There ain't nothing left though. Mammoth Smoke. Pretty cool.